Hello amigos, welcome to Factaholic channel. In this video, we are going to see about Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is an American animated franchise and a series of comedy short films created in 1940 by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Best known for its 161 theatrical short films by Metro Goldwyn Mayer, the series centers on the rivalry between the titular characters of a cat named Tom and a mouse named Jerry. Many shorts also feature several recurring characters. In this original run, Hanna and Barbera produced 114 Tom and Jerry shorts for MGM and 1940 to 1958. During this time, they won 7 Academy Awards of Animated Short Film, trying for first place with Walt Disney's Silly Symphonies with the most awards in the category. After the MGM Cartoon Studio closed in 1957, MGM received the series of Gene Deitch directing an additional 13 Tom and Jerry shorts for repertory films from 1961 to 1962. Tom and Jerry then became the highest grossing animated short film series of that time, overtaking Looney Tunes. Chuck Jones then produced another 34 shorts with SIP Tower 12 Productions between 1963 and 1967. Three more shorts were produced: The Mansion Cat in 2001, The Karate God in 2005, and The Food Racing Adventure in 2014, making a total of 164 shorts. Butch and Toadle's Galore. Butch is a black cigar-smoking alley cat who also wants to eat Jerry. He is Tom's most frequent adversary. However, for most of the shots he appears in, he is usually seen rivaling Tom over Toodles. Butch was also Tom's chum, as in some cartoons where Butch is leader of Tom's alley cat buddies, who are most Lightning, Topsy, and Mathead. Butch talks more often than Tom or Jerry in most shots. The Nibbles. Nibbles is a small grey mouse who often appears in shots as Jerry's nephew. He is a carefree individual who very rarely understands the danger of the situation, simply following instructions, the best he can both to Jerry's command and his own innocent understanding of the situation. This can lead to such a result as getting the cheese by simply asking Tom to pick it up for him rather than following Jerry's example of outer-maneuvering and sneaking around Tom. Spike and Tyke. In his attempts to catch Jerry, Tom often has to deal with Spike, known as Killer and Butch in some shots, an angry, vicious but easily dubbed bulldog who tries to attack Tom for bothering him or his son Tyke while trying to get Jerry. Originally, Spike was unnamed and mute, aside from howls and biting noises, as well as attacking indiscriminately, not caring whether it was Tom or Jerry, through usually attacking Tom. In later cartoons, Spike spoke often using a voice and expressions performed by Billy Bletcher and later Dos Butler, modeled after comedian Jimmy Durante. Spike's coat has altered through the years, being grey and ceremony tan. The addition of Spike's son Tyke in the late 1940s led to both a slight softening of Spike's character and a short-lived spin-off theatrical series, The Spike and Tyke. Video games. Main article: List of Tom and Jerry video games. The pair have appeared in a number of video games as well, spanning the titles for systems for the Sega Genesis, plus also Sega Game Gear and the Sega Master System and their rival console around the 1990s, Nintendo Entertainment System and Super NES and Nintendo 64, to more recent entries for PlayStation 2, Xbox and GameCube, and also on the portable Nintendo consoles Game Boy and Nintendo DS.